My video is about removing the new ransomware which is called Hardbit 2.0. Hardbit 2.0. This is a new ransomware that affects many files. It encrypts files and it damages the files. But my video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I'm just showing you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other files. Well, unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular Hardbit 2.0 ransomware may be easily injected. And so pretty soon you would see the consequences, the results of the ransomware attack. You can also see that the desktop background was changed by this ransomware, and because of that we see this three-figure on our desktop. So the ransomware essentially damages the files that people store on their computers. By the way, you may always look for your task manager and you may find some suspicious processes that could be related to this ransomware or some other malware. It's always a good idea that you terminate such suspicious processes. This might help you prevent any ransomware from spreading its roots even more. Anyway, these are the consequences. The ransomware encrypts files, it drops this ransom note, and as I said, it's not possible to open the files anymore. When we try to open the specific file, we get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Hardbit 2 extension. And the same happens with all other files. The ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. But we strongly urge you not to pay that ransom. This does not guarantee the file restoration. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with our Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, then click on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Then the scanning will begin, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection of any malware. And finally, at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations on the system. We recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license. Premium license of Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature. This anti-ransomware feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to protect your files from further ransomware attacks. So as I said, at the end of the scan you will see the summary of threats. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with premium license as the best solution to keep your system clean.